Imagine feeling lighter and more energetic, improving the quality of your sleep and moods, and also improving your gut health in just 3 days, just by boosting your intake of fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables. Yes, it's very much possible. Hi, my name is Bhavna. I'm a holistic health coach, and I'm here to help you kickstart these changes with a 3-day challenge called Cleanse. What is Cleanse? Cleanse is 3 days of sacred time that you devote only to your self-care. We focus on nourishing ourselves with nutrient-dense and fiber-rich, fresh, seasonal fruits and vegetables in their most creative and delicious avatars. We also use this time to cultivate mindfulness, and most importantly, we use this as a springboard to bring clean eating habits into your daily life. So if you're finding it difficult to do this on your own, then I invite you to join us and do it as a group with like-minded community and with my support and guidance. The challenge is from 1st to 3rd of May, and details for registration are given below. Also, if you have any more questions, then feel free to join me for a free webinar which is on Saturday, 24th of April, and in which I'll share more about the program, and you can also bring your questions and I'll be happy to answer them. So do sign up, all the details are given below, and I look forward to seeing you.